Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Please subscribe to my channel, and today we are going to do some bunch of crafts. First we are going to do slime. Fluffy slime. Don't think why I'm using clear glue, as PVA is hard to get where I live. Even it works. So first I'm adding some clear glue and shaving cream and stirring it well until it turns into pale yellow, because the glue is yellow. And please share this with your friends. Don't forget to click the like button, and that there will be a, if after subscribing there will be a bell icon. Please don't forget to hit that bell icon to get videos featured next time. I'm mixing it very well, and now I'm adding some baby oil to get it more shinier, and I'm mixing it well. You should not add more, otherwise the oil will be at the sides. Now I'm gonna add some lotion. I'm using Nivea body lotion. Mix it very well until there is no lumps. I didn't get any lumps. If you get. Now I'm using powder food coloring, as gel food coloring is hard to get here where I live. I'm using this hello. And as I told you earlier, I think so I have not told you that five DIYs today I'm gonna make. Now I'm activating it very well. Today I'm gonna make. Actually, these are gonna be jewelleries, and monstrous reliever slime. So my hand is fully covered with that some oil, and yeah. See guys, it is very glossy. Actually, this is one of my first ever fluffy slime, perfect fluffy slime actually. And it is very soft to play with. As you can see here, I'm vigorously playing with it. And yes, next DIY is gonna be the shake a bottle or the headband. I'm so sorry guys. Headband. The things needed is some felt of two colors. I'm using grey and pink, a pencil, a scissor, some old headband, and hot glue gun. First I've drawn the templates, and I'm gonna cut it out with scissors, and I'll be pasting it. Yeah, I'm pasting it with hot glue gun. If you are a child, ask your parents for help and paste it, as hot glue gun will be very hot. I have pasted the 2 ears. Now I'm gonna paste these cat ears in my headband. This headband you can get from some shops, or you can take from your old and which headband you don't like. Please don't forget to ask your parents for that. Then I wanted to put this in my head. that it was so nice. And yeah, this one is ready, guys. Then the next project, third project, is gonna be a shaker bottle. Actually, this one, it can be put as a charm. That headband, charm. So I'm making a charm. I'm pouring some baby oil into that, and I'm pouring paint dissolved in water and putting some pearls. If you want, you can put some glitter, as glitter is hard to put inside. And you can dissolve it with oil and put, but I forgot. And I'm keeping it aside and taking that eye hook and some, I don't know what to call it like this, and the cap of it will be like this actually in some glitter bottles. Please be careful with hot glue, guys. And this really it was very hard. Actually, I touched it, right, as you can see in the video. And don't complain me that I cannot show you perfectly as it was was a difficult process. And yeah, now I'm gonna close it. I'm closing it very well. Actually, as you can see, I hot glue that and put it. Then now that the fourth project is gonna be the earring with Pom Pom. You need some Pom Pom or to clasp, and to the end of that, actually the camera was down, I don't know, and I thought not waste it. As you cannot see perfectly, I just sticked it and I put the clasp on it. That end of it button. Actually, the two earrings are ready. Now the fifth DIY, fifth and last DIY, gonna be another earring, hanging earring. First I did that not hanging. First you need two eye pins, cut it and put it. And next I took a silver jump ring, and I took an earring hook and I just attached it. And actually my hook was little bit tight, so I was trying to do, and I did it. I even added some hot glue in that, so it will stick perfectly. They were some fun projects. If you are in a hurry, you can make it. If you're not having the color earring, which you don't have to a matching dress, you can do this, because Pom Pom can be available in any color. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.